Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here. Thanks for taking the time to join me. So today I'm sharing an A2 card using the new Slimline Scalloped pocket die. Now I'm only going to be using the pocket for this card, but we're also going to be using the Slimline Bunting borders with the little heart cut out of the bunting and the FaDoodle hearts stamp set. You see the theme we have going here is hearts, right? So we went ahead and die cut the pocket out of craft cardstock, and I ran that through an embossing folder with hearts so that it would all pull together. I decided I was going to randomly stamp my background. This is an A2 Neenah Avalanche White 110-pound cardstock that I'm using for my card base, stamping directly onto the card base with VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink with those FaDoodle hearts. And I just start in the middle and stamp outwards, filling in spaces as I'm going along. And there's really no rhyme or reason to it. I just pick a stamp and see if it fits. If it does, I stamp it. This is so easy, and it's one of the things that I love doing is random stamping because you can almost just stamp and be mindless with it. Once you have your background stamped, set it to the side and go ahead, fold the flaps back on your pocket die and add double-sided tape. Now, because we're using a heavy-duty tape, we need to be sure that when we go to center this up on our card base, we get it exactly where we want it, because with this double-sided adhesive, it's one and done. You don't get a second chance with it. So once you have that centered up, take your time with it. You're going to take your bunting border and lay it across the top of your pocket and mark your little marks for where you need to trim it, and then just bring your scissors in and trim it down. I'm using some liquid adhesive to the back of this, and I'm going to put it right across the top. I'm kind of hiding that scalloped edge on that pocket. Once we have that down and it's secure, we're going to go ahead and stamp with love onto one of the quick strips that I went ahead and ran through the die cut machine with some white cardstock. And again, I'm just using my VersaFine Clair ink to stamp this with love. It's included in the FaDoodle Hearts stamp set. Now, because it was spread out a little bit wider than I wanted it to be, I just went ahead and cut right between the words with and love, and then I can space it as close or as far apart as I want. So let me know what you think about this in the comments below. It's quick and simple, and Valentine's is just around the corner. As always, the products are linked below for you. For more information on them, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. And until next time, take care.